Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox Eken H9R Action Camera. I ordered it from Banggood.com on 12th March and got it delivered by 19th of March. I got this camera for around 3200 rupees. So without any further ado, let's unbox it. So it looks like a GoPro. When you first look at this, it will look like a GoPro. Also the mounting was also given like a GoPro. So let's remove it from here and put it aside. By the way, it is already installed in a waterproof casing. That's a nice thing. Now open the box and let's look at the content which are there in this box. Let me zoom it. So it's a bicycle mount, flat mount, remote, tripod mount, some other mounts. This is also a tripod mount and some screws, nothing else. Let's put all this inside. By the way, there is also a curved mount with this, which I have already installed on my helmet. Now see what's inside this box. User manual, waterproof casing window as a spare. This is the strap for this remote, which you can put on your wrist. And some strips, don't know how to use it. What's the purpose of this strip? I don't know why they have given this. So let's put all this aside. Now let's start the camera. Before starting it up, let me remove it from the waterproof casing. Let me give you the physical overview of this camera. This is the power button. All you can see that the 4K Ultra HD, it can support up to 4K. This is the shutter button for selecting menu. Here you can see that there are two ports. One is the HDMI port, other one is the charging or micro USB port, and this is the micro SD card slot. By the way, if you use the class 10 micro SD card, then the performance will be better, because on normal SD card it only support 1080p 30 fps, nothing else. So let's start the camera. It has been started. Let me show you the settings. Video resolution 1080p 60 fps, 1080p 30 fps, 4K 2.7K, and also 720p 120 fps is also there. That means it also supports slow-mo. Loop video timestamp, exposure, photo resolution, photo burst, time lapse. It can support time lapse from 2 seconds to 60 seconds, which means it will capture the photos after interval of 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, etc. Upside down screensaver, power saver, etc. So let me give you some other specification, like this is the video mode, this is the camera mode, this is the burst mode, this is the time lapse. This is the setting, and again it's the video mode. Now let's see some video footage and some photos from this camera.
So this is the sample video from the Eken H9R, and the audio is also coming from that camera. Please comment down below how is the video and the audio quality of this video.
So how was the video and the audio quality of this sample video, and also how is the video and audio quality of this vlog? Kindly comment. And before wrapping up this video, let me tell you all one thing. Under rupees 4000, Eken H9R is one of the best action camera you all can get. So I'll leave a link in description box below. Thank you for watching this video. Signing off.